it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on this fragrance here, which I believe is pronounced Quai, and this is the North Bondi scent, and it's the EDP version in a 50ml bottle, and this retails for $86 and you can purchase it in Sephora in Australia. Now, straight up to get into the information about this one, so the description says it's a citrus and fruity, earthy and woody and floral fragrance. North Bondi is a nuisance blend of rich florals and sheer white musk inspired by the meeting of the city and the sea at Sydney's Bondi Beach. It delivers notes of bergamot, Italian lemon, rose de mai, violet and white musk. And the notes, so top notes are bergamot, apple blossom, raspberry and Italian lemon. Middle notes are rose de mai, jasmine, violet, and base notes are patchouli, sandalwood and white musk. So this packaging is so nice. I really vibe with this, like simple, just nice and sleek packages like this. I really like it. I think it's like a little bit different, but it definitely stands out. And it's one of those things that's either like super luxe or it's super cheap, but I think it does look super luxe. I don't think I've ever said luxe in my whole life, so let me redact that. Super luxurious. So the atomizer, hopefully you can see this, is like really thin, goes super far and is quite narrow. This, oh my god, this, if you like a touch of citrus but a really like soapy clean scent, this is your scent. Like, oh my god, this is exactly what I feel like a soapy clean fragrance is. Longevity for this one, now on me it doesn't last all day. It definitely lasts longer on my clothes, but on my skin I do find it wears quite quickly, unfortunately. But yeah, this I also use around my house. I just think it works definitely as a personal fragrance or a home fragrance. It's just so beautifully like clean and soapy. Like the whole mix is so well done in my opinion. This is actually the first fragrance I've tried from this brand, so I can't comment on any of the others. But if you have tried others in the line, let me know your favorite in the comment section down below, because I would definitely love to try more and new ones, because yeah, I really do like this one. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye!